Welcome back, Camden Catholic. Oh, I don't have any coffee. All right, anyway, so we left off in class talking about, rewind it, there we go. Andreas Vesalius and his scientific revolutionary book on the, hey, Fallon, shut it, I'm flipping. Anyway, now, on the fabric of the human body, right? Or the fabric of humans, okay? His book is going to be then published and bound in human skin, because that's gross. I know, interesting, right? But what he does as a living is he creates this very first human book on anatomy, right? It's one of the very first medical textbooks. It discovers the structure of the muscles and the body, internal organs, skeletal structure, circulatory systems, even the heart and how it works, even though William Harvey comes along later and discusses like how all circulatory systems are there. Now, this right here is Andreas Vesalius himself. But really quick, let's look up one of the Andreas Vesalius engravings. Let's look at one of the engravings from his actual text. They are insane and crazy. This is one where he peeled back a human head to see what a skull looks like and a human brain. You want to see it? No. Yeah, you do. It's gross. Here's one where he pulled back human skin to like realize. Oh, this is a good one. It's a skeleton standing up. Oh, on this one? All right. Well, no, why would I put it on that TV? Yeah, but like, I can't. You're making this flip last longer now. All right. So anyway, now, very, very cool stuff. All right. I'll show you guys here in a minute. All right. But also, just in case you didn't know, oh my God, Fallon, be careful. An autopsy is an examination of a deceased human body, right? So usually trying to figure out how it died or just the structure of the human form. Now, this thing right here is a very cool little contraption invented by a guy named Anton Leeuwenhoek. Very first microscope. All right? Very, very first. Do you really want to see it that bad? All right, so, all right, see, yeah, now that I'm doing something. All right, so it is the very first, there we go, microscope. That's the very first microscope. Oh, you want to see the brain thing? No, wait. That's a microscope. Brian, 2 seconds ago, that's sitting in front of me, was about to ask, how is... You're done. Give me the ball. All right, so how is it possible that that's a microscope? It's very, very simple. It has just a small lens in that little pinhole right there, and the little pin on the back is where you would hold whatever specimen is on the other end.
Is that thing like at the bottom of the like rectangle thing? Is that where you look through?
No, this little hole right here is where you look through. Oh. And the slide's held right there. This lowers it up and down into focus. That's it. And so Anton Leeuwenhoek is going to use that device to actually look at pond scum for the very first time to view cells and microorganisms. And then another guy is going to come around named Robert Hooke, who designs a complex microscope like that one, the one that you're most used to seeing, all right? Looks like that, okay? It has multiple lenses, it can focus, and Robert Hooke used it to discover how cells operated in what was the sample for the smart kids in the room that pay attention in bio? What kind of cells did he actually look at? What? Cork cells, yeah, Jim Brady. Also, he was a very good artist as well. Robert Hooke would also put insects underneath it and actually draw them in extreme clarity. That's a flea right there. He also did one with a fly eyeball that's really, really neat. And then the last topic really quick is just linking the sciences together. And the guy that comes around and links all the sciences together is, of course, Sir Isaac Newton. He's going to use the sciences to explain gravity, to form his laws about force and energy, create calculus, and even understand how white light is the combination of all colors, right? That's it. We're wrapping up. That took like 5 minutes. Holy bananas. This is impressive. Would you like to say hello?
What class is this? Hey, Flip.
Hey, Flip. Wow, that's awkward. Everything was fine until you did that. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow.